my god, yeah, alright. Grab the rifle.
Oh my god.
Don't flood it. That's what we have.
Not gonna go in.
This isn't funny. I don't think it's funny.
Oh, I think this is awesome. Now we have to have our coffee and tea here.
You know what?
Can we at least unstrap the rifles?
Dude, if you try to shoot one of these things, every other one of those things would come and attack you.
Well, we're getting better shots.
Petrol.
I hope you didn't put a hole in the tank.
I do smell it.
That is awesome.
Oh my god.
You know, this is all our fault. We're the ones that wanted to see the lions. Oh, Kel, we're all right. Don't worry about it. I'm gonna keep stacking. This is so funny.
Oh, it totally smells like gas.
It's what?
Totally smells like gas.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
To rip a gas line? It totally smells like gas.